Today, I have completed another automation project using Siemens TIA Portal with PLC programming and a basic HMI design. This project is based on an automated washing machine system, where the complete washing and draining process is controlled automatically using sensors and valves. Let me explain how the system works step by step. The system consists of 3 liquid level sensors, 3 control valves, 1 water density sensor, 1 washing motor, PLC ladder logic, basic HMI for monitoring and control. Step 1. Starting the system and water filling. When the washing machine is started, if the water level is below liquid sensor 3, valve 1 and valve 2 open, water starts filling the washing chamber. This ensures the initial required water level. Step 2. Motor start condition. When the water level rises and crosses liquid sensor 3, the washing motor starts running. This means the minimum required water level is achieved for washing. Step 3. Control of valve 1 and valve 2. As the water level increases further, when water level crosses liquid sensor 1, valve 1 closes. When water level crosses liquid sensor 2, valve 2 also closes. This allows precise control of water intake. Step 4. Density-based washing control. The washing motor keeps running continuously. A water density sensor monitors the density level. When the required density is detected, the washing motor stops. Valve 3 opens. Valve 3 is used to drain the wastewater. Step 5. Draining and refill logic. As water starts draining, when water level goes below liquid sensor 2, valve 2 opens again. When water level goes below liquid sensor 1, valve 1 opens again. This allows fresh water to enter the system. During this stage, valve 3 remains open. Washing motor remains stopped. Only the water replacement process continues. Step 6. End of draining. When the water level finally drops and goes below liquid sensor 3, valve 3 closes. The system resets. After this, the entire washing cycle automatically starts again from the beginning. Thanks for watching.